Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to instantiate our scenes. So for that purpose we have created another script with the name of universal save, and in this script I just have created a lap counts variable which is public static int, and initial lap counts are 1, and then in the start function we have said that don't try on load. What it means is that the script, whatever game object we will add this script, that game object will stay throughout the game and throughout the scenes, and it will not destroy at all. So we will just create a empty object here. We can name it universal save, and then we can add the script to this object, and now if we play the game, this object will never destroy throughout the scenes. So for loading out the scenes, what we have did is that we will just go to open options menu script, and inside options menu we will create time trial scene number and racetrack scene number int public int variables, and then inside the lap count, next we will say that universal lap counts is equal to current lap count, and then we will say universal save dot lap counts is equal to current lap counts. Also we are adding this line of code here as well in the lap counts section, and now inside the UI script we will also add another actually in the options menu script we will also add scene management here, because we want to load scenes, and inside the UI script we will just actually create a variable here. So we will just make in start function total laps is equal to universal save dot lap counts, and for these total laps we can actually make it public, from public to private. We will convert this variable so that we can't modify these laps inside editor. So that's it. Now we'll move back to options menu script, and here we will create one more function for the begin race, and we will say that if time trial equal to true, then we want to load a scene from time trial scene number, and if time trial is false, then we will load the scene from racetrack scene number. So what we will do, we will just move back, and here inside universal save we will add this, and inside this canvas, where is the canvas? Okay, this one. We have these sorry, this is scene 1 time trial. Sorry for that, we will not add this here. We'll just move back to scenes, and here we will open our racetrack selection scene, and here we will create a object with the name of universal save, and we will add script to this. So universal save script will be here. Now we will just go to our menus. Here in the options menu we have added this option menu panel, and here you can see that we have for this option menu for racetrack 1, this one. So what we will do, we will add time trial scene number and racetrack scene number here. So we will just go to build settings, and I'll just lock this, and in build setting we will just add our scenes. So scene 1 time trial, scene to scene 1 racetrack, and then scene 2 time trial, and scene 2 racetrack, like this. So the order is actually for scene 1 time trial we need 2 index, so we will add here 2, and scene 1 racetrack is 3, so we'll add it here 3, and we can save it. And now we will just select the other one, and here for the time trial scene number in this second options, what is this? This is track 1 options panel, and this is also track 1 options panel. So I think we have to change name of this. So for I think oh sorry, it's not time to actually I was just using lock, that's why we can't see this. So now we will select this one, and for this we have 4 for time trial and 5 index for racetrack scene number for second track. Okay, so that's nice. And now we will just move back to our start function. So we'll just click here, and we will select this start button. On the start button we will click on click function. We will add track 1 options panel, and we'll just go to options menu, and we have created begin race function for this. And now we'll just hide this, just bring it as well. And for the start function, start button, we need options script, and we need begin race. So that's nice. Now we will just try it out. So let's play the game. Let's see what will happen. So we will select the track. So select the track 1. Here we can actually increase the laps. We can select if it is time trial or race, and then we can start, and hopefully our scene will be start. And you can see that we are in time trial mode, and you can see laps count 5. Okay, so that's great. So you can see that we have everything working. So now we will test out the second track. So let's play the game, and select second track. Let's select 3 laps maybe, and let's select race, and start it. And you can see that we are on second track. We have 3 laps selected, and we are in race mode. So that's great. Everything is working absolutely nice, and in next video we'll move further. Goodbye.